Make a small batch of homemade applesauce without peeling or coring with this easy recipe. Start by washing and cutting 5 pounds of apples. Then add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 2 pinches of salt, and a cup of water to the pot. Bring your heat to medium-high and cover with a tight-fitting lid for just a few minutes until you start to see bubbles and steam. The apples will start to slowly release their liquid. Your goal is to get the apples fork tender, and then you're going to strain most of the liquid and then return the apples back to the pot. From here, you're going to blend lightly with your immersion blender. You can use a fine mesh colander or a tomato strainer. I'll show you both ways here. I've used both methods, but I definitely prefer the tomato strainer for bigger batches. I'm feeding the applesauce through the top, and the machine is slowly removing the peels, cores, and seeds into this red bowl, while the beautifully strained applesauce will dump out here. I did a little taste test, and I've chosen not to add any seasonings or sugar. I think it's perfect the way that it is. And because I removed that liquid early on, I don't have to add this back to the pot to cook it down. I can go right from the strainer into these freezer-safe bowls or my canning jars, and I am good to go.